This video is going to explain the reporting function within the application. Your controlled assessment will have a reporting requirement. In other words, you'll have to print out a couple of reports which provide some level of usefulness within the application. So if I press, just to show you how this runs in the geography field trip, if I press 4, and let's look at students by age groups. These are all different reports I can look at. So it's showing basically all the students who are age 11 and all the students who are age 12. Press the key to return to the main menu, or the reports menu. Students by gender, so it shows all the males, all the females, and then a list of students. So it's really up to you, I guess, what you decide to put in your reports, but as long as you have reports, that's the key thing. So let's just show you how these have been implemented in Geography Field Trip. So let's have students by age group. Remember, we were storing age for each student, and it's important that you have some data that allows you to group students either by age or by house or by gender. And I guess it depends on what the requirements are for your controlled assessment, but this would allow you to group students by age in Geography Field Trip. So again, we call the app title method, which sort of gives us that nice menu at the top, as you see here, and then and then we have the breadcrumbs. We take a new line, and then we're outputting age group 11, and all I'm doing is I'm iterating through the two-dimensional array, which is in working memory, row by row, and then I'm going to the column that contains the age, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to column 4 in each row, and I'm checking if the value, once remember it's stored as a string, so I have to convert it to a number. So if the value stored at this position in each row of the array, once I've converted it to an int, if it's greater than 11, and once I've converted to an int, that number stored in that particular column for each row, if it's less than or equal to 11, so in other words, if they are 11, I'm writing for that same row, if that's true, for that same row, I'm outputting their first name and their surname. So for that same row, I'm outputting column 1 and column 2. If this is equal to 11, then I'm outputting this and this. And I'm outputting that, and then I'm putting a wee tab space, so escape character T, and then I'm outputting so their first name, tab space, and then their surname. Okay, and then I'm going to take on a new line, and then double tab, just to give us a wee bit of formatting. So if you look here, well, that's the wrong one, so let's just go back to the menu. If I do students by age group, so I'm just bringing this tab in. This is 2 tabs, 1 tab, 2 tabs. So students by age group, where are we? There we go. And I'm just repeating that process for age 12. And there are only 2 ages, either 11 or 12 in this particular geography field trip. It's for year 8 and just year 8 in school. So then once that's printed, then I take a new line, press any key to return to the reports menu, console.read key, and then reports. And that is it.